Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add shop button on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your Instagram app is updated. Once you're done updating, let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. And then in order for you to add a shop button on your Instagram account, you need to switch to professional or business account. In order to do that, go to your Instagram profile and click the hamburger button at the top right corner, the three horizontal lines, and then go to your settings and then scroll down and look for your preferences. And then in the preferences, just scroll down and then you will see switch to professional account. So once you click that, you're going to set up your professional or business account. So if you want to add a shop button on your Instagram account, make sure to choose a service or a business that includes a shopping option. So I'm going to choose clothing brand and then I'm going to choose business. Now you can just set up all of these later. So once you're done with that, go back to your Instagram profile and then click your edit profile. Then if your Instagram is not updated or in the beta, you can see the adding the actions button on the contact info. But since our app is updated, you can see it at the next option. So once you click this is the option that you can choose a partner or add on the partners that you are using in order for you to add the shop button on your Instagram. So make sure to select a partner and add it on your Instagram account. And that's it. That's how easy and quick that you can add a shop button on your Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe this channel. Make sure to click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos.